To confirm if the display and the menu system of your SKAARHOJ unit is working, you can upload an integrated system test we have created, and it's also found in the SKAARHOJ utils folder right here, integrated system test. So you choose this one, and well, yeah, we are not going to look through it really because there are no configuration we need to set. It's created for the C200 series and C100 series, but of course we need to make sure that we are uploading to an Arduino Mega board, and we are, so we should be able to just upload. When that's done, we are going to start up the serial monitor. So this is it, and the display will tell us hello world, as you can see right here. And if I turn the encoder, it will enter into the menu. And have you seen the videos of the C101 and C201, then you can see that these items are sort of the same, but they are dummy items. We didn't put any functionality into these, so they are not trying to communicate with an ATEM switcher at the moment. They are just reflecting the same labels and some of the values and allowing you to test the encoders. So the basic test here is really that you can enter into the menu with the encoders. If you hold the button down, it will exit the menu. And if you go right, it goes right, left, etc. So this should give you an intuitive confirmation that the encoders are working correctly. You should also be able to confirm that if you're changing stills, for instance, in the media bank, that the values are properly incrementing and decrementing. And if you go to stuff like fade to black and you, for instance, want to change the transition times in frames, then if you go slow, then it's just incrementing one at a time. But if you go really quickly, then it will quickly bring you to zero, as you can see, because it's kind of multiplying the number of trigger signals that comes from the encoder with a certain value so that you can make larger increments and decrements. So that's the basic way you test the display and the encoder boards in your SKAARHOJ units by using the integrated system test. You can also see in the serial monitor over here, you see the number of trigger signals and the count associated with it. And if we look through the counts, then you can see, for instance, here we have a count of -3, -2, and this is the times when the values that you are changing are bumped not just by 1, but maybe by 10 or 20.